Hey team, let me read you this information the best I can. Search for pairing. Red and blue light flashes simultaneously. To clear pair, press the button 4 times. To pair, blue light is always on. If we continue down to the next page, it says, search for pairing, green light flashes slowly. Clear pairing, press 4 times for the green light flashes quickly. Green light is always on. We're going to shut the unit off by long pressing. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we cleared for pairing and shut down. There's a reset button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is basically an off button when plugged in. We are slow flashing. We're going to press in to reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It shuts off. I'm going to turn the unit on. Let go. And we are pairing. And we're not going to pair at all. We could turn the second unit on as well. And these are not going to pair. It'll stay at this until the battery dies on the phone and the transmitter. We can again hit the reset button and see if these will pair. We can go to the transmitter and we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we tried everything possible to get this to pair. If you have a M9-2L and have this issue, please let us know. One last thing we can do, plug in the receiver, lift out of the case, and see if it pairs this way. Put back into the case to automatically shut off. And reset the unit. And pull out of the case to see if we can pair.